This is called a double top bearish chart pattern, and you can see the market has been trending below the neckline ever since. All right, it tests, it drop. First test, it drops. Second test, it drop. Hoping the market will break out of this support level. It retraces again. It tests this resistance, this neckline again. Yeah, that happens to be the resistance. The market drops, hoping it will break this resistance, this support. It continues to the upside. All right, so you can see this neckline, this resistance is serving as a key resistance level that the market always tends to pull back from, and that is where we are heading to right now also. Okay, so as long as the market is maintaining this level, the overall trend of this market is still bearish. But if we break out of this neckline, that means... Alright my people, welcome to the channel. In today's episode, I will share with you my trading setup for the Bitcoin market, Ethereum, and the Australian market. What's happening in the Bitcoin market currently is just a pullback that is happening after the market has trended for a very long time. So it tends to make a corrective move before it continues in its actual direction. Alright, so it was somewhere here in 2023. Market was still trading along this 20,000 area. Yeah, along this area when it formed this inverse head and shoulder pattern. When I started calling for this first impulse leg that the market make. So the market was trading above this neckline, and I said to myself, as long as the market maintain above this neckline, this Bitcoin market is still heading to the upside. That is what gave birth to this strong bullish trend to the upside. But currently, the market is still very much trending. It's just a retracement that is happening. Actually, it was two patterns that were formed here. It was two bullish patterns that was formed here. All right, inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is the right shoulder. The left shoulder. This is the right shoulder. This is the head. And there is also another pattern that was formed above this neckline, which is called double bottom. This is also the double bottom chart pattern. This is what gave birth to this strong Bitcoin bullish trend. Feb retracement from swing high to swing low. You can clearly see what I'm saying. Now you can see the market is trying to pull back into the 50 Feb retracement level. All right, the market is trying to pull back into the 50 Feb retracement area. You can see that, which happens to be this support level. So that is the area I'm aiming at to find another possible buy trade at this resistance support level of 50,000. That is the 50 Fibonacci retracement for a buy trade. So let's go to a weekly time frame. Where is this Feb guy? From swing high to swing low here. So once the market makes a pullback into this 50 Fibonacci retracement, the next level is going to be the extension level, which happens to be a 100,000 level. All right, so that is where Bitcoin is looking at to test after it has retraced into this 50 Feb retracement guy. How do I know that? If you measure the distance from here down to this place, all right, distance from here down to this place, clone this guy, bring it down here. Clearly see what I'm saying. All right, clearly see what I'm saying. All right, almost $100,000, the extension level of the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, but I'll just put my overall target at 100,000 retracement level. Okay, that will be my overall target before this extension level, 100,000. So yeah, take profit from 93,000 to 100,000, the overall target. Alright, so that is it for Bitcoin, and let's head down to Ethereum. So there is not much thing really happening, just what Bitcoin is doing, that is what Ethereum is also doing. Okay, just wait for a pullback into this 50 Feb retracement area to find possible buy trade. Alright, so let's go down to lower time frame. Let me show you something. Yeah, you can see this is a demand area, which happened to also be the 50 Feb retracement area. So that's what I'm saying. Whatever this guy is doing, whatever Bitcoin is doing, that is what Ethereum is actually also doing. Alright, but you can see here, I can draw my trend line from here down to this guy here. Okay, let me just draw this trend line here. Alright, so yeah, this is a demand level. I'm looking forward to long here. Alright, I will not just long here. There are criteria I will look for to find a buy trade here. Just the same thing that Bitcoin is doing. Alright, so I'm not just going to waste much time here. Ethereum is following the footstep of Bitcoin. Overall market structure. The reason why I've been bearish, I've been looking for a short position only on the market. Okay, so you can see this pattern. Alright, that is formed on a weekly time frame. This is called a double top bearish chart pattern, and you can see the market has been trending below the neckline ever since. Alright, it tests, it drop, first test, it drops, second test, it drop, hoping the market will break out of this support level. It retraces again, it tests this resistance, this neckline again. Yeah, that happens to be the resistance. The market drops, hoping it will break this resistance, this support. It continues to the upside. Alright, so you can see this neckline, this resistance is serving as a key resistance level that the market always tends to pull back from, and that is where we are heading to right now also. Okay, so as long as the market is maintaining this level, the overall trend of this market is still bearish. But if we break out of this neckline, that means this trend is trying to fulfill another key technical level. Okay, so I was telling you in our former video, is it last week, last 2 months, when I dropped this first analysis, when the market was still below this support here. Alright, so let's go down to lower time frame. Let me explain something to you. Now, from last week, I dropped this signal on my group chat. Alright, so if you want to be part of my group community, use the link at this description to join my Telegram and WhatsApp community. So I dropped this first signal when the market when the market dropped from here to here. I dropped this first signal. Our take profit was at this black line, and I said, guys, if we are able to maintain this resistance, this market is still heading down to the downside. But there was something that was formed: a higher high, a lower low, a higher high, a lower low. And when that happens, the market is trying to clear out every stop losses that was above here. Alright, we saw somewhere here our stop loss was here. That is what the market clearly did from our previous analysis. It was forming a higher high, a lower low, a higher high, a lower low, a higher high, a lower low. So this is clearly market manipulation, and when this kind of thing is happening, I don't usually trade. I move my stop loss to break even. My take profit first target was at this 0.64. Alright, so we clear out that, and you see clearly now we are still heading back into this previous resistance area. Okay, so I'll just delete this guy. All right, so what is currently happening now is this market want to fulfill another technical level, which happens to be this neckline. So this is the area I'm looking forward to find another short position at this 0.68 area. Okay, this is the area of confluence. I'll be looking forward to short this market. Tomorrow is NFP, right? Tomorrow is NFP. After NFP tomorrow, from next week, a pullback into this area at this confluence zone. I'll be looking forward to short this trade. Okay, but if you are able to break out of this resistance, then this market might do another full analysis on the market again. But if this resistance area holds, USD market is still heading down to the downside. All right, so yeah, that is it for the USD market. Overall trend is bearish, double top form on a weekly time frame.